Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone or iPad. I am going to give you 5 methods to create a new Apple ID without using it on iPhone or iPad. First method on appleid.apple.com. Visit the website and select Create your Apple ID. Enter your personal details and follow the verification steps. Second method on iCloud.com. Navigate to iCloud.com and click Sign In, then select Create a new Apple ID. The third method is on Mac. Go to System Settings, select Sign In, and select Create Apple ID, and follow the prompts. The fourth method is on iTunes on Windows. Open iTunes, go to Account, then select Create a new Apple ID. And the final method is to use Apple Music on Android. Open the app and choose a subscription. Then select Create New Apple ID. Each method requires email verification and billing information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.